Guys, paano ba mag-top up sa Honor of Kings? Punta lang kayo sa inyong browser, then i-search nyo lang yung C-Game Mall or CGM, and gumawa kayo ng account. So as you can see, naka-Brazil yung plug ko kasi gumamit ako ng VPN ng Brazil. And don't forget to change your currency to Philippine currency. Ayan po yung account. And as you can see, ayan po yung ating order earlier. Nag-complete siya. Hindi ko napalitan yung currency dyan. So, paano ba mag-top up? Search na lang yung Honor of King. And tap nyo lang yung Honor of King Global. Then, copy your UID dun sa in-game ninyo. So, saan makikita? Punta lang kayo sa inyong in-game profile. Then, view UID, then copy. Balik kayo ulit sa browser. Then, copy. Ayan. Paste na lang dyan sa may text box. Then, buy now. Select na lang kayo ng token na gusto ninyong i-recharge or i-top up. And, tap the buy now button para mag-proceed yung inyong order. Then, pay now. Kailangan ninyo i-change yung currency para makita ninyo si Paymaya, GCash, GrabPay, or any other payment channel. So makikita ninyo sa upper right ng inyong profile, may nakikita kayong flag dyan. Then, i-change na lang yung currency. So, yan lang. Sana nakatulong yung video. And enjoy playing Honor of Kings. Bye!